Doof. Doof, the Afrikaans word for deaf. Jou doof hou. Jou doof hou. That means pretend not to hear. So 'n doof soos 'n kwartel. So 'n doof soos 'n kwartel. Directly or literally translated, it means as deaf as a quail. The meaning, however, is being completely deaf. Stokdoof. This is the intensive form of deaf in Afrikaans, and it means completely deaf. Hy doen dit nie om dowe neute. Hy doen dit nie om dowe neute. The saying means he is not doing it for nothing, as in the sense of he's not doing it for no reason. So there is a reason. Sy is doof in daai oor. Sy is doof in daai oor. It can also be sy is doof in daardie oor, and it means she is deaf in that ear. Doofheid, doofheid, deafness, doofstom, doofstom, deaf mute.